All right, today we're gonna bring on the ASRock. This is the Phantom Gaming B650 Lightning. We're gonna take a look at it and see what you get. Now, this is an ITX motherboard. I got it because I'm actually gonna be heading out to CES this year in 2026 and upcoming year. And what I want to do is want to make sure that I have enough juice to actually be editing, because last year I took a laptop, but the laptop I gave it away to my daughter and I'm left with nothing. So we're going to set up a small portion, a very small case too with it, along with it, and then see how it works. Now, the only reason I got it is because I wanted to make it the footprint on the actual case that I'm carrying very small, because I'm going to be carrying a bunch of bags and I want to be carrying a whole desktop. So I want to be carrying something portable, simple, with handles, and I ended up finding something. So we're going to start with the first thing, and this is a motherboard that I'm getting. Very simple. 2 DIMMs. It's a DDR5, of course. It's an AM socket 5, all right? So just to let you guys know, you're going to need the 5 version, not the 4. You got your motherboard connection here. You got your CPU connection on this one. You got plenty of fan connections, all right? And also, if you want to connect your RGB lighting, you can do that. This is going to be 12 volts, and you can see that. Along with, right next to each other, it's going to be the fan connections in here. Also included, there's going to be SATA connections in here. You got your USB to 3.2 connection, also including the connections for your actual case are in here. Here's a Type-C connection, if you guys can see that. You get only one slot for your actual video card. It's reinforced with aluminum all around. All right, just above the PCIe port, you're gonna find another radiator, and this is housing the actual M.2. Now, this motherboard has 2 slots, but here is one of them right in the front of it, and then I'm gonna demo the back one. And also on top of this, it has the release, the old release. I wish they had the push button. It would be much easier, but they don't have it on this one. Now, if you're looking for more in-memory expansions, there's only 2 of them here. All right, let's take a look at the back of the motherboard where the M.2 secondary slot's at. It's located in the back. They only give you 1 slot in the back here, so it's gonna be hidden, all right? The motherboard has built-in integrated graphics, all right? So that means that you don't need a video card to begin with. You can just boot it up, it'll automatically start. Now, it's gonna be minimum, right? It's not gonna be the greatest, and you cannot game on it. It's just basically for workflow, internet surfing, and other stuff. So it's perfect for a student, but if you're gonna do video editing and doing other stuff, then you're gonna need some heavy duty power on that. So we are gonna do that in another video, but today we're just gonna demo the actual a motherboard and see what you can do, right? So not only that, we're also gonna get ready with the actual CPU and get it going. All right, you're gonna get a couple of USBs, 3.2, all right? Including the Type-C in here, but they are also a 2.0 in here. Now, the only thing you can distinguish because of the actual colors, they're all pretty much the same. You get your audio connections in here. You get the BIOS flash in here, your connections for your actual wireless wireless antennas that go in here. And then your Ethernet connection port. All right, so we fit the motherboard into this little ITX case. Working really well. I have access to all my stuff. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.